It is in my nature to be a friend of the friendless. 2. Religion is a matter between the man and his maker. 3. Faith is of no evil in absence of strength. Faith and strength, both are essential to accomplish any great work. 4. Today we must remove distinctions of high and low, rich and poor, caste or creed. 5. Satyagraha is not a creed for the weak or the cowardly. 6. Ours is a non-violent war, it is Dharma Yuddha. 7. Tell Churchill to save England first before saving India. 8. The main task before India today is to consolidate herself into a well-knit and united power. 9. In a domestic government, unity and cooperation are essential requisites. 10. The stiffer the opponent, the more should our affection go out to him. That is the significance of satyagraha.